Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Jennifer. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I have a super exciting unboxing for you today. I've been waiting on this for like at least a month, I think. So this is the Friends subscription box. And my sister told me about it. I looked at it and I was like, gotta get it. We're gonna unbox it. I just took off the wrapping, the outer wrapping, but I haven't even looked in it. I'm just gonna show you kind of what's around the box. So it has season 1 here, and then just pictures there so you can see kind of everything that relates to Friends. Again, season 1 over here. It asks you what size you want. There may be a shirt in there, I don't know. And then here, welcome to the real world. It sucks, you're gonna love it. So that might be one of the most iconic little lines from Friends that Monica said in the first season. Here is the front of it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when you open, this is what you see. And I think probably everything that's on there or that's in here is on this, so I'm not gonna look at it. Okay, so here we go. This is a shirt that says Friends. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. And it has 94 on the back, which is when they first debuted. And this is pretty big, but that's okay. This is awesome. So Friends shirt, and it has the little, yeah, that's what I thought. It's the hockey jersey. All right, so this is kind of next. It's just a box. Interesting. This. So this is the cameo. If you know, if you watch Friends, you're gonna know all of this stuff. Like, I'm a huge Friends fan. So this is what Ross gave to Rachel because she had walked by and said something about loving it in a store window, and he got it for her birthday. And then this is kind of how it came out that Ross was in love with Rachel. And then he met, what's her name? Julie. He met Julie on that trip, and then all the stuff happened between that. So yeah, so this is a little cameo. Oh, and it's a real one too. So it has a little backing on it. I don't know if you can see that because it's all black, but there's a little backing. And on the back, it just says pin up there. That is so cute. Okay, the next thing, of course, we all have to know that that is Phoebe's guitar, right? So I think these are just sticky notes. Yeah, just sticky notes. And that's so cute. How cute is that? I'll definitely use these at work. Next thing is this. Okay, I had a feeling this is what it was. Okay, so this is it says soda, and then the top, I mean, you can really drink out of it. It has the little open enclosure there. It says soda can travel cup, and then when you take this off, there's a thumb. So if you remember, Phoebe found a thumb in her soda, and so she got some money for it, it seems like. So she gave the money away to a homeless lady that she was friends with. So that's that. She popped the top and she saw a thumb floating in the soda. Of course, there has to be Marcel, right? All right, let me get into it. Okay, there's poor little Marcel. His fur is all messed up, but that's okay. It's pretty cute. I can't remember the type of monkey he was. Like, started with a P, it seems like. Chukin or something. I don't know. That's probably totally wrong. But anyway, so Ross had Marcel. He ended up having to give him up. He gave him up to, I think, a zoo, maybe in Florida or something. But yeah, so that's Marcel. Lots of funny things happen with Marcel. Okay, next is a poker set. Okay, so this is poker chips and playing cards. I think they played poker in the first season, and Rachel lost a lot of money or something. I can't remember exactly, but oh my gosh, how funny is this? What do the chips say? So the chips have Friends on them and 94. Let's see if that's all there is. Yeah, I think it's just Friends and 94. And then there is the Friends playing cards. This is so cool. I mean, Come on, Friends playing cards. I'm gonna have to open them and see what they look like. Okay, so they have, all right, so here is Marcel. You're My Lobster. The chicken. We can't forget the turkey, sorry. These are just spades, so not all of them are marked. Let me go through. Okay, so that's what they are. They have they have Marcel, the lobster, the turkey, and then it goes on to the next suit. Let me see if there are any more. No, that's it. But those are so cute. How cute are these? And how funny. The Jokers, it's the Christmas Armadillo. Is that what he called himself? Yeah, I think. The Christmas Armadillo. Oh my gosh. So there's one last thing, and it's just a friend's notebook, and it says that on the front, welcome to the real world, it sucks, you're gonna love it. So on the inside, it just has friends at the top of every sheet. The paper feels kind of funny, but who cares? It's super cute. I will definitely be using this at work. Okay, so we got the soda can, the notebook, the poker set, Marcel, the hockey jersey, the cameo, and the sticky notes, and I think that's it. But this was just fun. I mean, it's just fun. If you're a huge Friends fan like I am, I mean, I'm a huge Friends fan. I remember, like, before it went off the air and I watched it, and it was like my dream to go to a taping, but I didn't get to. But it's just so much fun to be able to unbox something like this. This box is by, I don't know if it's a brand or what, but it's called Culture Fly, and they have all kinds of boxes. I will link them down below so you can take a look at them. I don't remember the exact cost of this box. I want to say it was around $50, I think. It wasn't super cheap, but when I saw that they had it available, I just had to get it. I don't know how many they're gonna have per year. I feel like I remember it being 4 per year, but I'm not positive about that. I will link it below. I may have a way to get you some money off. I don't know. I literally have not looked. I got this in the mail and sat down to record this video because I wanted to show you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.